Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable or turn off two-factor authentication on Snapchat account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protecting to your Snapchat account, ensuring that even if someone managed to get your password, they won't be able to access your account without an additional verification step. On my previous video, I've shown you how to turn on or enable the two-factor authentication, and in this video, we'll show you how to turn this off. Maybe for some reason you want to turn off this two-factor authentication. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can tap on the up left corner on your Bitmoji in here. You can go to the settings section on the up right corner here. You can scroll down. You can see there is an option two-factor authentication. You can tap on that. Here's your two-factor authentication. You're using SMS verification. If you want to turn this off, you can just tap on the checklist on here. You can remove the checklist. If you disabled SMS verification, only your password will be required to log in to Snapchat on your devices. You can tap on disable. Now your two-factor authentication has been disabled, have been turned off. And if you want to turn this on again, you can just do the same thing on my previous video. It's so simple, right? So that is how to disable two-factor authentication on Snapchat account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!